sakes. And if you do exactly what we tell you in that video every day, you'll be making money consistently.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264.
The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
Tyler in Texas. Tyler.
So, I'm on my way to work this morning. I stop off at McDonald's to get me a McGriddle. I saw that we're about 6% off of those all-time highs back in August. I just want to know, what are you thinking about it?
I say buy. I think you should.
Buy McDonald's. Well, I'm going to tell you if that's a good call or not. Welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast around the country, off the Wall Street Radio Network. We'll take a look at McDonald's and see if it's a good call. What makes this stock a good call? Simple. Are the big insurance companies, the biggest banks, the biggest institutions, the biggest pension funds, are they buying McDonald's? Not how many hamburgers they're selling. Is money actually going into McDonald's? We're going to take a look at that. That's any stock. That's what you look at. You don't look at the jibber-jabber stuff. You don't care about the ratios. You don't care about the margins. You don't care about the free cash flow, PE ratios. That's all garbage. You don't need any of that. That's why it's so simple. Investing with a chart, you simply buy or sell. You have to know all that crap. Unbelievable. Oil. So, this is interesting. The other day, think about this. Over the weekend, the Saudis lose 5% of the world's oil production. 5%. That's huge. 5%. So Monday morning, everybody was going to wake up thinking, well, we're going to be down 400 or 500 points. The market should be down 400 or 500 points. Why? Well, because if oil is going to go up that much, oil should have just screamed. That's like a tax. Because gasoline at the pump goes up. That means you have less money for durable goods. To buy a washing machine, for example, or a dryer, or a van. So Monday morning comes, and pre-market, the market's hardly down. About 125 points. And you think, wait a minute. When there is a pre-market announcement that the Saudis may, or that the Chinese may not make a deal, a trade deal, that they decide, hey, well, we're canceling our appointment. God, the market would go down 300-400 points like that. But we were only down to 125 points. Well, here's why. Because, remember, the plunger team, called the cabinets, the new cabinet, they went in pre-market, before the stock market opened, and they bought futures. They bought stock futures. By buying the stock futures, they could make sure the market didn't drop, so they manipulated the market down. But nobody talked about that. Why would we only be down 125 points on the market when 5% of the world's oil production is gone? But some mornings we wake up, we're down 200, 300, 400 points when China says, well, we may not meet or we may not agree on tariffs. Isn't that amazing? But not anybody talked about it. It's crazy. You think everybody would have picked that story up. Unbelievable. You know, we do import 40% of our crude. We still, they make it sound like we're totally independent. We're not. We still import every day 7.6 million barrels a day. And 40% of our imports come from OPEC, which is Iraq, Nigeria, Venezuela. Now, we do produce more oil than the Saudis or the Russians. That's huge. We do export 1.6 million barrels a day of crude oil. We use 20 million barrels a day of crude, our economy, 20 million barrels a day. That's a lot of oil. And remember, we're buying 25% of our oil from people who hate us. But the oil deal really hasn't done much with the market. Dow's down only 23 points. So really, oil, it doesn't hurt us. Doesn't hurt us. They're talking, what hurts us is they're talking about, well, are they going to cut rates? Are they going to cut rates tomorrow? 25 basis points. And we got President Trump, of course, and his team in there saying, well, we want to get interest rates down to zero. We want to get back down to zero. Well, that's pretty stupid. Because, first of all, they're telling us, on one hand, listen to this.
You look behind the narratives, fundamentals in the United States are fantastic. The economy is just going gangbusters. Right. It's trending at about 3% GDP growth. There's no reason for the United States to fall back into recession, and stocks are reflecting that.
Really? So if the economy's gangbusters, then why do we need to get interest rates back to zero? Why? That's ridiculous. Listen to this.
You have financials, you have energy, you have small caps participating once again. That's a very good environment. The other thing I'll just take exception to is momentum is out. No, momentum is not out.
You cannot believe these people. If you're going to make money in the stock market, there's only one thing you can believe. If you want to know what the economy's doing, you've got to look at the bond market. The bond market always tells the truth. It always tells the truth. When you got yields inverting, it's telling you the economy's in very, very bad shape. Contracting yields identifies there's no confidence in the economic growth of this country. Our economic growth, nobody has any confidence. The CEOs don't have any confidence. And that makes it worse, because when the CEOs and the large institutions don't have confidence, when there's contracting yields, bond yields, when you can get more interest on a 3-month treasury than you can a 10-year treasury, that's bad, because that means they're not going to do any capital investment. They're not going to take their profits or any money they borrow at zero interest rates. They're not going to take that money, and they're not going to increase productivity by buying new machinery. And you got to increase productivity. If you don't increase productivity, you lose your middle class. How do you think you get? Remember, our big jobs are important jobs are manufacturing. Our important jobs are construction and oil drilling. And those are our middle class jobs. And if companies don't see there's going to be any economic growth, or it's going to slow down, which it has, why would a CEO invest their money, whether they borrow it at zero rates or their profits at $2 trillion, why would they plow it back into their company to create or to increase their productivity, which increases wages, which increases spending, which, remember, spending is 70% of our GDP growth. That's what makes your country strong. They're not doing that. And they haven't been doing that. Since 2009, they have not. CEOs have not been taking their profits and the money they can borrow at zero interest rates and plow it back into their company to increase productivity, so to increase wages, to increase the lifestyle of the middle class, which is the backbone of our country. Remember, the middle class is the foundation of our country. Always has, always will be, because it's the middle class jobs, the middle class and their jobs, they're high-paying jobs. These aren't service jobs. And those high-paying jobs, when they finish, they have enough disposable income after they pay their bills and taxes to start a business. And it's start-up businesses that create 70% of our economy. It's start-up businesses, which is this country. But you don't hear that from these people on CNBC or Fox. Contracting yields, and we have contracting yields, are identifying no confidence in our economy's growth. It identifies negative or slow earnings growth, slow employment growth, including negative housing starts, negative durable goods orders, negative manufacturing orders, negative construction spending. That's what we have. But boy, you wouldn't know that by listening to these people. Man, do they lie. Join my gang, Phil's gang. We tell the truth whether you like it or not.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Did you know breast cancer kills 113 people every day?
That's unacceptable. African American women die from breast cancer nearly 41% more than Caucasian women.
That's unacceptable.
Breast cancer is the leading cause of all cancer deaths for Hispanic women.
Breast cancer is unacceptable.
Together with Susan G. Komen, we're committed to reducing U.S. breast cancer deaths by half.
And we're going to do it by 2026.
Visit Komen.org/unacceptable.
With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, We recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Welcome back. Are you a fan of the Phil's Gang radio show? Then you should check out philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
Stock Corner is brought to you by CashCallMortgage.com.
And CashCallMortgage.com, check them out, especially if you're a small business, because they're terrific. They really are. Because Cash Call Mortgage, which was founded in 2003, first of all, I use them, so I'm recommending them. If you have a small business or you're self-employed and sometimes you try to go apply for a mortgage, I don't care if your credit score is 800. Mine was, my wife was, and you go because you have a small business, you're not in the box, okay? You go to a bank, they look at you like a deer in headlights because you own a business. They don't even understand your business. So Cash Call Mortgage, they started in 2003 to fill that void to help people who are small business owners get a loan. And within 4 days, we had our loan. So check it out. Go to my site, philsgang.com, or just go to cashcallmortgage.com and just ask for Jared Douglas. Tell him I sent you, and you get yourself a good deal. And more importantly, that you'll get that mortgage that you deserve. But these bankers are so stupid, some of them. It's unbelievable how stupid they are. All they do is sit there all day. They got a clean desk. They move their pen from one side to the other side, from one side. Unbelievable.
Wow.
Hey, talking about stupidity. Here we are. Listen to this. They're telling us how this economy we're in is gangbusters. We're not even a 3% growth. 10 years, we can't even hit 3%. And then they tell us this on CNBC. And at the same time, the guy comes on CNBC and says this.
How many times have we and many guests on our show said that all this supply, all this debt, all this deficit, and yet look what interest rates are doing? See, this is the disconnect that we have. Lower rates and buy more long-dated treasuries. So in a way, the distortion continues to mask all the supply that was masked by lower interest rates that were manipulated and not market-driven.
So what he's saying is we keep dropping these rates lower and lower, and we keep saying our economy's strong. Low rates, like a low dollar, a weak dollar means a weak economy. This economy's been propped up for 10 years with zero rates, and who benefited? I'll explain in a little bit, but first let's go to our members and see how well our members are doing. Our gang members, by following when to buy, when to sell, when to add, when to run like hell, with a chart that tells you those things. A simple color-coded chart, which makes sense. Here, give you an example. We have, this was Kramer. Listen to this.
Tyler in Texas. Tyler.
So, I'm on my way to work this morning. I stop off at McDonald's to get me a McGriddle. I saw that we're about 6% off of those all-time highs back in August. I just want to know, what are you thinking about it?
I say buy. I think you should.
Buy. Well, if you have a mobile device, go to philsgang.com. I'm putting it up for you on my chart. McDonald's. Buy? Are you kidding? What are you, nuts? When my members bought McDonald's, they bought it when it was around $183. And they got out when it was around $225. That was about I think it was around 35% gain, something or 25% gain, something like that. And 23% gain. It was green, see it? So many of my members were in McDonald's. Then it turned red. It meant that money's coming out. The institutional money's being pulled out. The big banks, the big insurance, they're pulling money out of McDonald's today. And they've been pulling money out of McDonald's since going back to August 25th. It's dropped 6%. He tells this guy to buy. Are you kidding? What are you not buy when the institutions are pulling money out? And you can see on my chart it turned red. And it's got the momentum indicator, which backs it up and says institutions are pulling their money out. He says, buy, buy, buy. These people are just unbelievable. Just unbelievable. That's the beautiful thing about a chart, because a chart, you don't follow these motor mouths. You don't follow these dopes. They just make stuff up. To say that the economy is strong when President Trump is begging to go back to zero interest rates is just ridiculous. It's a lie. Just like last week, they started to talk about last week. Oh, you should be in gold. You should be in gold. Gold. We've been taking our profits in gold, and we just shorted gold. Our gold stocks we started to buy in May. And here they are telling people to start buying gold now in September. We bought it in May, and we've had an average of 60% return on our gold stocks. And what we did, and if you put up the chart, I'll put up again, AU, the symbol is one of our gold stocks. And if you have a mobile device, again, go to philsgang.com. And I'm showing it to you right now, the chart, my MB2 color-coded chart. And just like McDonald's, see how McDonald's turned red? Same thing we did here now. We bought AU on May 30th. It went to about $24. That was about a 60% gain. And then see how my chart turned red? It started turning red. That means the institutions are pulling money out. So look at AU, just like McDonald's. It told us when to buy McDonald's, when to get out. Look at my AU. It said to buy it. But we bought it back. We bought it back in May. They're telling people to buy a gold right now when they're taking money out of gold.
Gosh, seems everybody's all over gold.
Yeah, it does.
Gold and silver, miners, this, that, and the other thing.
And so as real rates go down, that is a positive for gold as they're inversely related. And we think over the next couple of years.
No. Gold, let me tell you what's happening with gold. It's too late now. When gold, remember, when you have a contracting yield where people are shifting out of the stock market, going into the bond market for safety, yields contract, they go down. The dollar always follows the same direction. And when the dollar goes down, then your gold goes up. That's all you have to do. Join my gang, 877-600-GANG. Join, follow the chart, and you'll do well.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the PhilsGang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at PhilsGang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At PhilsGang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And PhilsGang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the PhilsGang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at PhilsGang.com. That's PhilsGang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
PhilsGang.com is not the only way you can stay in touch with what we do throughout the day. With today's social media, you can stay up to date with Phil's Gang current events. You can find Phil's Gang on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and more. Phil's Gang Radio Show is broadcast live Monday through Friday from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Facebook, Periscope, and, of course, YouTube. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Go to philsgang.com and find our social media buttons at the top left-hand corner of the site. philsgang.com and Phil's Gang Social Media, keeping you connected.
With the PhilsGang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at PhilsGang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At PhilsGang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And PhilsGang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the PhilsGang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at PhilsGang.com. That's PhilsGang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
I've been a Phil's Gang member since 2014. Over that time, I've generated over six-figure profits. Following Phil, his charting system has really been a huge impact on my career and my life. I would recommend Phil's Gang to the mom and pop out there. I would recommend it to parents teaching their children. I would recommend it to grandparents. If you really trust in their system, you will do well.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And join my gang. It's only $39.95 a month, 2 o'clock Eastern Time every day. What you do is you go to my site, you click on to the stock in the member portfolio you want to follow. Let's say it was gold, AU. This is what you'll hear. We put up on our chart AU, and then this is what you'll hear as we follow the chart, tell you exactly what to do.
AU, our Anglo Gold, is still a short, red under yellow, still red here. Our stop is at 21.27.
Okay, so AU, we made on AU 60% return. When it turned from red to green, we bought it. Then when it turned red, now, as he's saying, we're shorting it. So we tell you exactly when to sell it short. We'll tell you exactly when to get out when it's going to go back up based on the algorithms of our chart that identify if money is going in or money is going out. You can't listen to these jibber jabbers, just like what we showed you with McDonald's. This guy asked Kramer, should I buy McDonald's? Yeah, buy McDonald's. And what we find on our chart, we're short. We're selling it short. He's telling them to buy because our chart tells the truth. It's money. If money's coming out, institutional money, why would the stock go up? It won't. But their job is always to get you to buy. That's the idea in the stock market. They don't want you selling stocks. They don't get paid when you sell a stock. They get commissions on the size of the account. That's why they tell you to stay in. And when the market crashes, they're out, you're still in. You know, it's funny when they lie. Listen to this. This is unbelievable. Here's they're talking about home builder survey. Listen to this.
And there's big news on the housing market from the National Association of Home Builders.
This is a survey of builders. How do they feel about the current sales of single-family homes, and how do they look and feel going out 6 months? So this is a very encouraging sign. Low interest rates, solid demand has been good for the housing industry.
Okay, so they're saying low interest rates are good, and the survey, the home builders, are positive. Wait a minute. You think a home builder, when he gets interviewed, is going to say, no, it sucks? Really, we're in our model. We haven't seen anybody show up today. We haven't seen anybody come to our model in 2 weeks. Oh, no, they're not going to tell you that. They're not going to say it sucks. Are you kidding? Oh, yeah, we're positive, man. Interest rates are going down. They're low. Look what you can get a 30-year fixed rate for, man. They're low. But here's the problem. What they don't tell you is the truth. There's a problem in the home building industry because the low rates is not helping them. Why? Because they're not selling homes because the low rates don't help them. Because the lack of CEOs plowing money, business investment, back into their manufacturing companies, their construction companies, their mining companies, their drilling companies. They're not plowing any business investment back in to increase productivity, which increases what? Wages. And then if your wages are increasing, then people can go buy a house. Here's what's happening. Instead, the CEOs, in favor of stock buybacks, that's what they're doing. They're not doing, there's big lack of business investment in favor of doing stock buybacks. If there is $2 million in the account, they're not going to take the $2 million, plow it back into the company for new machinery so their employees can produce more to give them a wage increase. Why the hell would they do that? Because stock buybacks, they're better off taking the $2 million, buying shares of their own company. Stock goes up. CEOs, their compensation is tied to stocks. So the higher they can get the stock up, the richer they get. And it screws everybody in the company. That's why our economy stinks. But how did they make our economy look good? Because the jibber jabbers every day will come out and tell you how terrific things are, right? When they're not. Because when the economy or the stock market is going up and we're making money in the stock market, the economy is being propped up. Remember, you lost your $48,000 job. You lost your $68,000 job. You lost your $58,000 job. It was outsourced. Now you have a service job from $28,000 to $48,000. You're not making $54,000 to $65,000 anymore. So what do? They subsidize you with credit. They give people credit. So people's wages are flat. And the stock market's going straight up. Well, it's not anymore. But that's the other thing they don't talk about. The stock market hasn't gone up since October. It's stuck. But as the market was going up, wages are going flat. So think of it. Think in your mind. Market's going straight up, but wages are flat. Adjusted for inflation, they're flat. So by the CEO taking the money that he has set aside, he's going to make a decision. Do I take that money, put into new equipment so that my employees can produce more, so I can give them a wage, an increase in wage, so they can go spend or save, or better yet, start a business on their own? Or should I take that money and put it in my pocket by taking it and buying stock, my own company stock? Because if my own company stock goes from $20 to $40, my pay goes from $20 to $40. That's what they've been doing for 10 years. So how they've been masking it is to make sure they give you massive credit. So your wages are going sideways, they're flat. Stock market's going straight up. They're getting rich. The very, very wealthy is getting rich. And the poor guy, the middle-class guy, he's dead. Dead. The guy on Main Street, he thinks he's doing great because he can keep going buying stuff as long as he's got credit, as long as he's got enough credit cards, as long as he can go to the car showroom and they're going to give him a car as long as he can breathe. That's what's been going on for 10 years. But when you pull all that credit back, that has to be paid back at some point. All we've created is a massive wealth for the top 1 percentile in the stock market. Remember, 10% of the population controls 80% of the stock. Half the people we have a workforce of 155 million people. Half don't even have a stock. And the people who do have a 401k, they get screwed with a 401k because the 401k doesn't work. It doesn't work. They steal from you. The fees are so unbelievable, and most people don't even think they're even paying a fee. So it's amazing for 10 years how they've been able, with all these signs, as long as they got a credit, and as long as they got a credit card. I go down to Starbucks in the morning, and people open their wallet. I'm amazed at the credit cards they have. I'm amazed. They open the wallet. You wouldn't believe how thick the wallets are. I would think if you're walking to work, you got to stop and sit on a park bench to get your breath. I mean, it's like walking around with a cinder block. I mean, these wallets are so thick with credit cards. Unbelievable. And they make it so easy. Make it so easy to get credit. You know what most people don't understand? They have no idea what even a recession is. Here we get all of these red flags that we're in a recession, or we're going into a recession. We got an inverted yield curve. We got thousands of red flags that tell us that, hey, we got a problem here. We got negative housing starts. I mean, we got more red flags. But nobody pays attention. Nobody pays attention. And what people don't understand is, what is a recession to begin with? What causes a recession? What causes a recession is the CEO decides to take the money that was set aside that would increase productivity, that would increase your wages, but he buys his own stocks instead. That's what starts the recession. That's what starts it right there. But people don't even think about it. As long as they got a credit card, they can buy whatever they want until they have to pay that credit card back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. What if you could have an in-depth understanding of the stock market just like the pros? Well, thanks to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com, you can. philsgang.com offers comprehensive, up-to-date market information designed to help you understand and anticipate market behavior. With philsgang.com, you'll build your investing confidence even through down cycles and periods of uncertainty. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com today. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264.
Tell you every time I'm on the air, join my gang. Try it. Try it for 30 days. AT&T, we got a 3% profit so far in May. Our Goldman Sachs are up 6%. Our Intel, we have a profit of 16% shorting it. Caterpillar, we're up 11% shorting it. And Schlumberger, we're up 18% because we shorted it. That's how you make money in this game.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
we make sure our gang members are positioned to sell the market short with the same ease as going long. So you join the gang for $39.95, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You decide when you join the gang of our membership group what you want to follow. So let's say you decide you want to start following gold. Okay, so let's say you're going to follow AU. And by the way, we started to buy AU on May 30th. We're up 89%. We're there every day to tell our members what to do. At 2 o'clock, there's the video. Or if you want to be aggressive and you want to be a real trader, just come to my class every day from 9:30 to 11. That's your choice. If you get confused, you get a hold of us. You have your own personal coach, for God's sakes. And if you do exactly what we tell you in that video every day, you'll be making money consistently.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264.
Thinking about investing in the stock market? Go to philsgang.com, where we have over 50 years experience in trading and investing in the stock market. Phil's Gang teaches you how to make profits in the market with stock chart analysis, up-to-the-minute alerts, and always keeping you informed with professional guidance in long and short-term positions. Go to philsgang.com or call one of our professional staff to answer your questions. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Stop wondering about your financial future and start doing something about it.
With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Okay, oil. We hit oil right at the right time. My members, we started to buy oil. Started to buy refiners, MRO. We 2 different times we bought it. One we're up 19%, another time up 6%. We bought more oil, OIH up 18%, Halliburton 25%. Our gold, we're up 60%. Now we turned around and we're selling gold short, going short, because we follow the money. You know, talk about following the money. You have to laugh. We talk about what is a recession. A recession just means lack of business investment. That's right. When you have corporations no longer plow their money, especially manufacturing, the middle-class jobs, high-paying jobs, manufacturing, construction, mining, drilling, when CEOs say, why should I plow my money back into the company to increase productivity, which increases wages? Because if what we're seeing is the yield curve, or we're getting all the evidence that our economy is slowing, the growth is slowing, why would I take the money, plow it back into the company to increase productivity when we don't need that increase in productivity? And even if we did, why would I plow it back in? I'll plow it back into buying my own stock, company stock back, because my pay goes way up big time. And that's what has happened. And it's funny when they're talking about how these home builders have positive sentiment. No, they don't. That's a big lie. You heard Orlick said.
Builders are expressing growing concerns regarding uncertainty stemming from the trade dispute with China. And another index shows that the slowing in the manufacturing sector is holding back home construction.
That's right. Manufacturing, again, that's where your jobs are. That's where, when manufacturing is being outsourced, and this is what's happening, when you're outsourcing manufacturing, when there's lack of business investment in manufacturing, construction, mining, the big middle-class jobs, in favor of stock buybacks where the CEOs want to increase their own compensation, what happens? Not only does the productivity contract, your wages contract, or you don't get a bump. Because the only way you can get a wage bump, if you increase your productivity, then your wages go up. So the CEO makes a decision. For 10 years, it's the same decision. Should I take the money, buy machinery for my employees so they can produce more, so they can make more money for themselves, have a better lifestyle, then they can go and buy a home? Or do I take that money and buy the company stock because my salary is tied to stock? So when I buy my own stock back, the company stock back, my stock goes from $20 up to $40. I picked up another $15,000 that week. Should I do that or give it to my employees? What do you think they're going to do? This is what they've been doing for 10 years, giving it to themselves. So as a result, all the high-paying middle-class jobs, they're not high-paying anymore. Most of them are outsourced. So what's happening is the wages are staying stagnant. People cannot afford a down payment on a house. And all the construction is in apartments. That's where all the construction is. Most of all the single home builders now are big time into construction, multi-construction. They don't do single family anymore, or they cut it way back because we need more apartments than we do homes. Because wages have stagnated so much because CEOs decide to keep the money for themselves, called stock buybacks. Now people can't afford even to save for a down payment to purchase a home. So that's why you see so many construction payments. And rent, you know that. Rent's going through the roof. You know, unless they take and make stock buybacks illegal like they used to, because it's a crime, this economy is going to continue to be screwed. As long as they can keep doing stock buybacks, only a small percentage of our economy goes up, or our people go up. Very few people make money in this country anymore. And here's the problem. Those few people who make all the money, they own Congress. They can buy Congress. They can tell Congress what laws they want passed. They can push Congress around. They do what benefits them. And here's the real thing. They make sure that there's law passed that keeps out competition. That's what happens with income inequality when all the income goes to the top 10 percentile of the United States and everybody else is sitting there struggling. But everybody will tell you the economy's doing good. When they do a survey, the people say, I'm happy. As long as they got enough credit cards, they're happy. As long as they can go and pay minimum wage on their credit card, minimum payment, get another credit card to pay that credit card with, they're happy. And then all of a sudden, it has to be paid back, and that's when the crash comes. Because what causes the recession first, remember, is productivity stops. And remember, housing contributes 25% of our economy's growth. It's the greatest source of this country's wealth and savings is home construction or housing. It's gone. Housing's gone now. It's all apartments. And because the lack of middle-class jobs now, remember, the middle class used to do all the startup jobs, and they used to provide 78% of our employment in this country. Those are gone. So you got the middle-class jobs gone, you got the middle class gone, and you got the rich getting richer, and then you got the working poor who think they're okay because they got credit cards, and then go down to an auto dealership and get a car. So what is the stock market doing? Well, they're going to do everything they can to keep pushing the stock market up. That's the one thing why you should be in the market. They're going to do everything to keep pushing because that's what they got to do to mask what they're doing. The people don't realize what the hell's happening to them. As long as they got credit and credit cards and they can buy a boat and buy this and buy minimum payment, they think they're doing terrific. And they look at the stock market and they're convinced they're doing terrific because the stock market's going up and that's what they're told. Until one day they got to pay this crap back. For us, it's an incredible ride to the upside. But remember what's happened since last October. All of it's pretty much stopped. This market in the last 10 months has not broken out. It's the first time in 10 years this market has been stagnant. Every time it break out a little bit, come right back down. And that's where we are today. It's amazing. And instead of working on getting rid of stock buybacks and how we can fix this economy so we can stop this stuff, so we can get people back to work, what are they working on? Here's what they're working on.
Whether related to children in cages, botched security clearances, or their failure to defend the country from ongoing attacks. Well, Mr. Lewandowski, you are here under subpoena.
Unbelievable. This is what our Congress is doing, bringing people in from that work for Trump.
We will expose the truth. The president can hide behind you any longer. And you should be here to be telling the...
We got health care payments we can hardly pay. People can't even pay their health care. It's so expensive. People got to rent because their salaries aren't going up. They can't save money to buy a house. And what are they working on?
Didn't you think it was a little strange that the president would sit down with you one-on-one and ask you to do something that you knew was against the law?
Isn't this stupid? Isn't this stupid? And then when you ask, how's the economy doing?
Our economy is surging along. It's surging.
No, it's not. The economy's not surging at all. We are not even growing. Not even 3%. What's surging is the stock market, and that's why you should join my gang. Because while it continues to surge, we'll be there with the surge making money. And when the surge stops, and we finally get that recession that goes to a crash, we'll be in the right position, and with the same ease that we made money on the way up with the market going up, with that same ease, we're going to make money when the market going down. Because that's what we do. We follow the money. We don't listen to the BS.
Tyler in Texas. Tyler.
So, I'm on my way to work this morning. I stop off at McDonald's to get me a McGriddle. I saw that we're about 6% off of those all-time highs back in August. I just want to know, what are you thinking about it?
I say buy.
Yeah, so he tells this guy with his McGriddle to buy with McDonald's going down. The institution's the big institute pulling money out. When he goes to McDonald's tomorrow morning, what he's going to do is stop, not go to McDonald's. He's going to pick up a dirty cup. He's going to go down to Starbucks, and he's going to say, I'm supposed to get a free refill. I'm homeless. That's what he's going to end up doing. He's going to lose his butt in the stock market. Join my gang, Phil's gang.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
It's up to me to